Well, hello everyone. Okay, so I am now okay, so I'm running low on food supply and we have some emergency food left, but it's not good to rely only on the emergency food at this point. So I'm gonna venture out. So we prepared a plow company, but they weren't allowed to come up here because of the road closures, and then we rescheduled for a day when it's pretty clear, and the county still didn't allow. And the third day they still couldn't come, and now it is so high, the snow, look at this. Now the snow is so high, the plow companies will not dare touch my street here. Maybe about 10-12 feet of snow here, and this is my first time going out because I'm running out of food. And you spoil people, this is how you take groceries, okay? You don't have to go in your car and drive like 1 minute. Very beautiful though. We had a power outage a few minutes ago. Hopefully by the time I get to the stores, it will be back. Another thing, it may look like this and flat and beautiful, but that's actually 10-12 feet of snow. So all the way 500 feet to the highway, and no one will plow this. So I'm stuck for a while. All that preparation for nothing. My car is stuck back there. Anyways, I know for a fact that this side is lower. I mean, the snow is not as high. That side is gonna be quite a bit. Hopefully I don't sink too far in, and if I do have this shovel. I'm taking my North Face what is that, duffel bag that will actually transform a bit into like a makeshift backpack. Because none of the grocery stores have bags. They have asked us to bring our own bag to put the groceries in. Oh. Okay. Don't sink, Brian, don't sink. Okay, so far I'm doing good. Wish I had those like big snow shoes, you know, okay. It's one of those weird things. I gotta be careful here. It's like a video game. So the sun is melting all the ice and snow and they're falling off the trees. It might hit me, don't know. For those of you that don't know, the highway has been plowed quite a bit. I don't know if they plowed after the last storm, but usually that means there is this thing called a berm. Oh, that branch is about to go. I have to walk around it just in case. Usually they leave a pile of snow as they pass by that's even taller because it adds on to the current snow. It's called a berm, or at least I noticed that's what people call it. Be thankful you don't have to do this for your groceries. Supposedly we're in a state of emergency and the National Guard has been activated yesterday or something, but so far I don't see any difference. Hear anything, and I don't even know if National Guard will help me with this situation. It'd be cool if they did. Oh, the elevation as well. is not helping. Oh, it's like doing lunges every step. Oh, I'm beginning to sink. Oh, what am I gonna do about all this snow if no one will plow it? I'm gonna be stuck for weeks. Is that an Amazon box? Oh no, it's a road sign. Oh, look at my green gate, or I guess our green gate. This is a public access road. It's weird because it's a public access road. Someone explain that. It's a public access road, but the county won't plow it. We have to get our own. I don't get it. Oh, that's steep. Maybe from the green gate, 150 feet. And you probably can't tell from the camera, but it is steep. My legs are burning. Oh man. How did those squirrels just run around like that? Hopefully the walk back will be much easier, right? Because it's downhill. There should be no one on the highway except for maybe a very few locals and county cars. If the berm is so high and I go over, I don't know how I'm gonna come back in. Someone's going down. They're free. So if you make it up to here, it should be easy to go down, but you can't come back in. That part is closed. Oh, that guy has a chain, or has some chains on. Oh my gosh, I won't be able to come back in. Look how high this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm basically walled in. There's no way. Is there a way I can climb back out of there? Once I get out? Right now I might be able to get down, but I won't be able to come back up. So I'm gonna, hopefully most of the snow doesn't go into the road, but I'm gonna make like a little mini staircase. Gonna put the handle on the other side so I can grab it. All right, this guy can just go down. I have a chainsaw in there just in case I need to, just in case I need to break some of the thicker ice. Okay. Okay. I made it down, and I think I can make it back up in this. This may be a little dangerous because normally you see that white line here? I don't know if you can see it, but the white painted line. This is a kind of a turnout, like a emergency parking space. And normally there's walking space here, but it looks like I don't have any more. So I'm actually walking on the highway street. Now I think in theory, unless there's like a plow coming or something, like that guy right there. You see that? Yeah, I think they're gonna come down for the most part, and they're gonna come up slowly on the other side. The highway is closed, so it should be okay to come. No one should be coming up that is not a plow guy. Look at that. Hello. How's it going? Yeah. Kind of rare sight to see, huh? Okay. So the closest market to me is about half a mile up. In this road, it should be really easy. Oh wow, look at that, guys. It's like, talk about a snowball effect. It's from all the way up there to here. I'm pretty sure that's an actual snowball. I think something fell and rolled indeed, but I think it was big to begin with. Oh, I guess they were plowing up there too. I wish a plow, some kind of a plow would help me out. I hear something. Oh, it's a plow. Okay, there he is. I suppose despite the circumstance, they are plowing up and down, and that guy, he lifted his plow just for me so he wouldn't toss it to me. It's pretty neat. But he did toss it somehow to the left side. Maybe he's getting rid of the berm. Hey! Oh, yep, that guy definitely, they definitely dug out the snow. I mean, they definitely just dug that car out, you can tell. I think people that are able to leave are lucky right now. I think if I could get my car out like planned, I would have gone down already. This part could probably use a better plow. Even though I'm illegally on the highway, everyone knows, even the county, they're like, oh yeah, we know what's happening. Gonna go this way. That's a Caltran. Like I said, nobody's gonna give me a ticket for this. They kind of expect you to do this, you know. It's really trippy, you know, walking on the highway. It's like a movie set right now. Going there is gonna be pretty awesome. Coming back is gonna suck. Because, you know, the backpack's gonna be a lot heavier. I don't know if you can tell, but look how tall this is. Look how tall this is. Oh my gosh. For a scale, here's my full-size shovel. Haha. Wow. If that collapses on you, it'll hurt. Just to let you guys know, there's so many people that's not as lucky as I am right now. Some people already ran out of food, and I know some people, they ran out of power. I mean, not ran out. Then there are also power outages in a lot of areas, and it's been like for a while too, so they haven't had heating. No food and no heating. Freezing temperatures. Oh geez. Oh, it's weird because this is more dangerous than anything else I've walked on. It's like so slippery. Okay, abandoned car. Yep, abandoned car. In the mountains, you'll see a lot of those in these kind of situations. I'm sure that store is closed. Okay. Oh look, they're shoveling the roof. Oh yeah, because as you guys know, the roofs have been caving in. I'm a little concerned for mine as well, but mine is almost like a 40-degree pitch, and I just don't feel safe up there. How's it going? That one's been dug out, you could tell. So because the storm is over, everybody's starting to dig out their cars. Look at that one. My car is over the ceiling. That car has just been dug out, you can tell. I'm gonna have to do that. I've been doing it, and then I kind of gave up. The coffee sign is on. I don't know if the open sign is on. It says we're open on the bottom window. Oh no, I think the lights are on. I think they're open. Oh, I think they're shopping. What's there?
Not much.
Not too much?
No eggs.
I'll take spam, and
You know?
I probably can't afford eggs. Okay, so I can go in. It's just an illusion of these mountains of snow. All right. I guess they put one little area, shovel maybe. Oh wow, that kid is climbing that snow like mountain of snow. He's a mountaineer. Wow. Why did I struggle coming up on that 500-foot freaking thing? Okay, here we go. All right, welcome. Oh, thank you. All right. Oh, you guys have some stuff here. That's nice. Okay. You got some stuff. Some chips. You know what? Let's get some chips. I take that back. It's like practically empty. Oh, they got some stuff. At least though. Lots of canned stuff. I'm gonna get more canned stuff. Oh wow. Okay. Aye, aye, Captain. Yeah, they don't have anything, huh? I thought they restocked. What happened to all the trucks that came up?
They're stuck
I feel like
probably.
we went to Arrowhead. A lot of them went to Arrowhead for this time. I don't think that many of them came this way.
Oh, yeah. But what about people like me can only walk? My car's stuck. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see.
I see you brought your own bag.
Yeah. I was told to bring it,
No, that's smart because up until this morning we had no bags.
and they won't let me plow either. I tried hiring a few companies, and they say they can't make it there. As long oh, thank you. As long as they clear the streets, I guess I still have hope though. Well, anyways, I'm glad you guys are open. Thank you guys. Okay, time for me to stop by restaurants and order like 10 meals, so that I could what is it? So that I could so that I could reheat them later if I need to. What does 9 want?
Do you want to do one of the plates with that?
I could take a break.
You want any water in the meantime?
Oh, yes, please.
Alejandra, vámonos.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna, hi. Okay. Ironically, I don't think both of these will survive inside a bag, so instead of a backpack style, I'm taking it duffel bag shoulder strap style with no shoulder straps. Where are you guys coming from?
Oh, we live up the street.
Oh, okay.
Bye. Yeah.
I'm about maybe half mile. Whoa.
How far are you going?
Huh? About half a mile running springs.
Running through where?
Deer Creek.
Deer Creek. Where's the?
It's half a mile down that way.
Oh, that way.
Yeah, so I don't yeah, it's not up this way. Yeah. No, I think we're good. It's only half a mile.
All right.
Thank you
got it.
so much.
All right.
All right. Oh, my shoulders are starting to hurt. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way across. Okay. Now my neck is gonna choke, but it's okay. If I start seeing spots, I'll just take a break. All right. All right. Why does it feel like there's more snow now that on the way back? Oh, now that I think about it, before I knew where my house was because of the crosshatch turnout, now that the turnout is covered in snow, I hope I could still find it. What's going on over there? Oh, he has chains on. You might be wondering if the road is so clear like this, or as clear as it can be, or clear enough. Why is it an emergency? Well, this is the lower part. This is even for running springs, this is the lower part of running springs. So it's you have to clear this to get to everywhere else. At least for if you're taking Highway 330. This is Highway 330. So you have to clear this to get to Arrowhead, to get to Arrow Bear, to get to, you know, Big Bear. Like you have to clear this road. So, and since it's lower, it's probably easier to contain in terms of climate. It's a little warmer down here. And remember, this is only the highway. Highways for the most part I think are clear. It's the right off the highway that's the problem. You just saw a plow at Jensen Market, that little small town there, you know. You just saw Jensen with a small town market, right? You just saw Jensen with a small town market. That is those kind of roads that people don't. That Subaru is going pretty fast. This turn after that big old hill over there is probably my property, or the road to my property. Oh no, do you guys see that giant little snowball effect boulder thing? Yes, it's my mark. Like, I'm actually kind of freaking out that I'm walking down the highway. It's like super cool and it's like super cool view, but I'm kind of realizing now that the rest of the country that doesn't have Southern California climates probably go through this on a daily basis, right? Maybe not the food supply running low or anything, and you have to hike to get your groceries or something, but or maybe that too, right? Where is I think that's it. It kind of camouflaged, so I was like, oh my gosh, where is it? But there it is. Oh, my little path. Collapse on me. Okay, here we go. And ladies and gentlemen, oh, okay, I got it. Oh, all right, now comes the treacherous walk, but again, downhill, so it should be a lot better. And so begins my 500 feet trip back down this treacherous snow and beauty. All right. Okay, so wish me luck. Oh, putting this thing back over. Maybe I should reverse. Maybe I should put it on this side now. Oh no, I can't because of the GoPro. And I'm sinking. Oh, I better. Oh, I'm sinking. Okay. Oh, yeah. Walking down it. Oh, okay. Oh, I was about to speak too soon, huh? Okay. But walking down is significantly easier. Look at that no parking sign because it's a fire lane right there. Do you guys see that? But so in theory, I could sink in suddenly as much as that. Well, maybe a foot or two because there's compressed snow on the bottom, but I could really get down here. I'm 5'9", so if I sink like 6 feet, it's over my head. Okay. That one went into my inner thighs. Okay, going back this way apparently is a safer way. Whoa, they're so deep. Okay. I lose. It's a good thing there were tiny little ones. If any of them were icicles or bigger, I have been in real big trouble. I've never seen the top of these bushes or shrubbery. It is a good shrubbery. Look at my car, still in the process of being dug out. This was when I attempted to dig everything on my own and I was like, there's no way I'm gonna make it. Going down here is kind of fun. This part only. Because it's slow, when you sink, you actually get closer to your destination. Why am I tripping more here than anywhere else? Okay. Oh, I made it. Oh, thank goodness. All right, and everybody. Oh, thanks for watching. Yeah. Oh, help us.